Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get 14 days free trial on Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on this website where I found a guide that's perfectly explains everything about getting a free trial on Crunchyroll. So as you can see guys right here, if you're looking to watch an anime specific streaming service, Crunchyroll is one of the best out there. With the largest streaming catalog of licensed anime, start your Crunchyroll free trial today to guarantee it's the streaming service for you. From animated Japanese shows and films to Asian dramas and even manga, there is something for every anime fan on Crunchyroll. So, how to get a Crunchyroll free trial? Customers that are completely new to Crunchyroll can benefit from a 14-day Crunchyroll free trial with any of the available subscription plans. And if it's not the streaming service for you, you can cancel your subscription before the end of the 2-week period to avoid being automatically charged. Signing up for the Crunchyroll free trial is easy. Just follow the bullet points below. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to the Crunchyroll homepage. As you go into the Crunchyroll homepage, click on the orange View Premium Plans button, and then choose the subscription plan that you want to try. After that, click the Start 14-day free trial button if you have it available. Once you do that, create an account by entering your email address and a password. Enter your credit card information or use PayPal. Click the Start Free Trial button. If you need to cancel the subscription before the end of the free trial to avoid being charged, remember it will end as soon as you complete the steps below. Log into your Crunchyroll account. Go to your account via the profile button in the top right corner. Click Premium Membership Status, and then lastly hit the Cancel Membership button. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.